Due to popular demand, a lot of people have been asking me for more examples on how to take regular work experience and translate it into cybersecurity language. So let's talk about it. My name is Kimberly Simon. I help non-technical professionals transition into cybersecurity without needing to code. One of the biggest mistakes people make is saying things like, I don't have cybersecurity experience. That's not true. The reality is you probably do. You just don't know how to talk about it yet. So today I want to look at three examples of experience that you probably have that you didn't know you could translate to cybersecurity. The first example is customer service. A lot of us have worked in some way in customer service. A lot of people say, I helped customers resolve complaints or I helped customers resolve issues. In cybersecurity, we can change that language so that it becomes I investigated issues, I communicated with stakeholders, and I documented findings while working under pressure. You see how that can make a difference, and it now applies to a different industry. You didn't change what you did. You just changed how you describe it. So let's do another example. Another good one is operations or admin. A lot of us have worked in operations or admin. So people often say, I followed procedures and kept things organized. We all follow procedures and we some way keep things organized. In cybersecurity, you would say, if you're looking for a cybersecurity job, you'd say, I ensured compliance with organizational policies, I maintained accurate documentation, and I supported operational processes. Again, same experience, just different language. Another great example that I get with a lot of my students for the cybersecurity cohorts is retail. A lot of people have worked in retail. So they tell me, hey, I worked in retail. I have no experience that could be relevant to cybersecurity. Again, that is not true. Actually, retail teaches some incredible skills. Instead of you saying, I worked the cash register and I helped customers, you can try to make that sound more cybersecurity. So basically, you can say something like, I managed sensitive information. You can say, I prioritized competing tasks and I delivered excellent customer service in a fast-paced environment. Does that sound familiar? That's because cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's about communication. It's about risk. It's about following processes and understanding procedures. It's about helping people. So I want to give you some homework again for today. Write down 3 things you've done in your previous jobs and ask yourself, did I solve problems? Did I communicate with people? Did I follow processes? Did I handle sensitive information? Did I work under pressure? Ask yourself these 5 questions, and if your answer is yes, congratulations, you already have skills that employers are looking for cybersecurity. And remember, employers don't hire job titles. They don't hire certifications. They hire people who can communicate their value. And that's what we can teach you in our cybersecurity cohort. So if you'd like help translating your experience into cybersecurity language, or if you'd like help applying your experience into cybersecurity, our accelerator is now open. We only run 2 cohorts every year, so spaces are limited. You will learn directly from industry professionals how to speak cybersecurity, how to build your confidence and position yourself for entry-level roles. So send me a message for more information. I would love to help you take that next step into a career in cybersecurity. Speak soon.